Mirage, you can contact us. We also have other colors. Okay, this one is finished. Now let's use the system. Now let's use our lace system. The weather is more and more hotter, so we need some very breathable systems, right? If you need, you can choose lace system, very breathable. Okay, this is our lace system. You can see the lace quality is good, very strong system. Okay, the base size is normal size. Front to back is 24 centimeters, and air to air is 20 centimeters. Okay. The color is number 2. The color is number 2. And this wave is 3 centimeters wave. And the hair length is 15 centimeters. Okay. This wave is very beautiful, right? Okay, now let's see more details. Wow, very perfect hairline, right? Very perfect front hairline, very good. So small knots, our workers make single knots in the front. So you can see no knots, very good quality, right? Okay. You can see very perfect front, okay? And the lace quality is also good, right? The lace is very transparent. Now it is on my head, but you can find it. It is very invisible, right? Okay. Inside the nose is also very natural, right? Okay. This one density is medium density, 110%. Okay. This one is very breathable. Very breathable. The weather is more and more hotter in our North Earth. If you feel very hot, you can try this hair system. It is very breathable. You wear it using a tip. Okay. Now this one is in our stock. If you like it, you can contact us. We will ship immediately. If you need other colors, other base size, and so on, you also can contact us. We can make a customer very quickly. Okay. Okay. This one is finished. Today our live will finish. If you like which system, you can contact us. We will answer you immediately and give you a good quality system and give you very best price system. Okay. Okay, thank you for your watching. See you tomorrow. Bye. If you like which system, you can contact us. We will answer you immediately. Okay. Bye bye.